Living on a farm. Hey, buddy. Hey, buddy. Oh, yeah. These guys are huge. Look at these dinosaurs. Oh, they're surrounding me. What the hell? Hey, buddy. Hey. What are you doing up there? Get down from there. There's the goats. You got more chickens. Oh, so many chickens. Is that turkey sitting on a chicken? No. Weird. Oh, chicken's hiding over here. Oh, watch out. Better not touch the electric fence. Oh yeah, there we go. Look at these chubby guys. Hey, buddy. How you doing? Oh yeah, no, don't get too close. So yeah, that's the farm. You got a solar powered electric fence. Do not touch that. Oh, it's so close. No, don't do it. Yeah, these crazy nuts here. Yeah, I'm talking to you. Ah!